Unit 1 History of the English Literature. Hockett and Allman. Hockett and Allman. Hockett and Allman is their work not on design factors added three more characteristics of language to the list in 1968. These three characteristics of language include prevarication, reflection, learnability. Let us try to understanding these characteristics. Prevarication is a feature of human language that enable human beings to lie and mislead other members of their community. Using this feature, humans can make utterances that are false or visual. Prevarication always humans to intentionality, not accidental use language to mislead their fellow being. Animals communication does not have an embodied property to tell, let mislead and use utterances that they believe to be future. It is only the characteristics of human language to use false visual ambiguous expressions and therefore to mislead. For example, someone ask you the why to temples, but you tell them the why to market just for few fun. It is a prevarication. Reflex Venus. The term reflex Venus refers to the properties of human language that enables communication about language using language. Reflex Venus is present when a speaker uses language to talk about language. Here, the function of language takes place at two levels. At one level, the speaker uses language for communication, and at the other level, she is talking about language. This self-referentiality is possible in language alone because you cannot talk about sense in sense or mathematics is mathematics. you are dependent one language to talk about science or mathematics, reference parameter. Human to talk about language is grammar, words and meaning all in the language itself. Self-learnability. Human language are learnable, and this property of human language is known as learnability. In other words, learnability refers to the natural quality of human language. Human being is especially children can learn any language irrespective of the language of their present. Accordingly, a human being can learn any language and any number of languages. Human language is learnable, and human beings are born with the ability to learn language that they are exposed to or that are available in their environment. 1 to 10, the 10.3 Noam Chomsky. The nature linguistic Noam Chomsky identified two important characteristics of human language: structure dependence and resource. Let's try to understand these characteristics. Structure dependent. According to Chomsky, the rules of language are sensitive to the grammatical structure of sentence rather than the linear composition of the work. Let us try to understand this with an example. In the sentence, "He is sleeping," if the subject becomes plural, then the rule "is" shall be replaced by "are." He is sleeping. Singular subject and singular verb are in agreement. They are sleeping. Plural subject and plural verb are in agreement. It is important to note that just because he has changed to "they" has to change to "are." Chomsky says so far there are selection, restriction, and the structure of the sentence determine the essence. Replace word change according to the rules of grammar. This feature of the language he named as structure dependence.